Tornado dreams are often associated with chaos, rapid change, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. These powerful natural phenomena, when they appear in our dreams, can symbolize a whirlwind of emotions or situations that are spinning out of control in our waking lives. The destructive force of a tornado can evoke fear, but it's important to remember that destruction can also pave the way for renewal. A tornado dream might be telling us that it's time to let go of outdated structures, habits, or beliefs that are no longer serving us. It's like a wake-up call from our subconscious, urging us to clear the rubble and create something new and better.